Hey guys, JT Tappius. Wanted to show you something really quick. This is my meal prep. We did this on Sunday, and so in here, can't really show you because of the way this is. Let's see if I can peek in there. Okay, I have a fist of carbohydrates, a fist of green beans, and a palm and a half of salmon. Okay, super simple. I get these Tupperwares on Amazon. I'm gonna see if when I post this video in the comments below, I can actually add a link to Amazon so that you can look at these Tupperwares. They're super efficient and they make it super easy for portion control. I know a lot of you guys have challenges with portion control, and so this is a great way to go about it. Super simple, guys. I literally throw that meal in there, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and I'm ready to go. I literally just got in like 5 minutes ago, and within 2 minutes I can have a meal ready. Now, if I didn't have that meal ready, I would have to cook. It would take me 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. Maybe it would happen, maybe it wouldn't, depending on how busy my day is. And so having food in the fridge is extremely important, and it will make all the difference in the world. And it's literally the difference between eating and not eating. And so I know people that meal prep are 100% successful with their plan, and so I'll encourage you to meal prep on Sundays. It's super simple. Buy your Tupperwares, play some music in the background, watch something on TV, get entertained, but do your meal prep. And if you do that, you're gonna be super successful. You're gonna be happy on the other side of things. You're not gonna be reactive to your environment, and you're going to hit your goals in record time. So I hope you guys do this, and if you have any questions, post them below, and I will talk to you soon. Ciao.